Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to import addresses of the customer that we have created in the previous video. So let's get started. So we have the import section, go to the system, we have import, we have customer addresses. Okay, let's download the sample file, or I have the download the sample file is there, CSV customer address. So I'm going to open it. So we have the different emails currently. Okay, so let's add this. So in the previous table what we have is this one emails, right? Copy this one. I'm going to paste in this one. Okay, base website, just copy it. So because email is this one, same entity id, one entity id. Let's make it draggable. New York, US address, first name, last name. Okay, let's add one one postcode, copy New York region, copy region id. You can copy the same, you can choose the region id accordingly. Any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, that should be the default billing address or the shipping address. Oh sorry, that should be 1 1. So save. Okay, let's upload this one, add and update, browse, recent customer address, open, check the data, all correct, import, created. Let's check this address, it's coming or not. On information addresses, so you can see that the address is coming with the name John Doe, and you can see that the billing and the address is coming, right? So you can edit, select or edit this one according to your needs. So whether you want anything you want over here, you can just add it over here. These are the main that we have added. So this way we can import the customers addresses at the same of the customer that we have created previous one. What the difference is that we have to take care of the emails, right? So email should be correct. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, and hope you understand how to import the customers addresses in Magento 2. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Let's see you in the next video.